the agency decided that it was really important to understand the outcomes that kids and families achieve even after our services have ended. And so they created the research department. I've been there 13 years, and we are charged with figuring out what happens to kids and families after they leave our services. So that involves contacting them at 6, 12, and 24 months post-discharge. We have surveys that we do with them to help us understand, what situations that they are in, some basic behavioral and functional indicators that will allow us to determine if our services are in fact effective for these kids and families. I currently have a staff of 15. About half of those folks are in a call center. We have a little call center in our department, and they spend all day trying to find kids and families and talk to them, which is a challenging job. We also have a new initiative in the data science department. We've recently moved from being the research department to the data science department. And we have an initiative to bring together all of our data resources in the agency to be able to share concise information with leadership that will allow them to make better decisions about our programs and about the clinical services that they provide to the children and families that we serve. So we've had for a very long time, electronic records system that all of our clinical records go into. But we also have, an HR system, we have a recruiting system, we have our learning management system that holds all the information on training. So we want to bring all of those together and not only be able to show people sort of where we've been, and to use that data to look at maybe factors that influenced outcomes, but to be able to predict where we're going. So we've always had a vision of being able to look at our data and use it to say, for youth who come in with a particular set of characteristics, what array of program services are most likely to result in a positive outcome 1 and 2 years down the road. And so some of the things that we're doing now with data visualization and with predictive analytics hopefully will be able to move us further down the road in doing that.